Welcome to our channel One Step, where we post tutorial videos. In today's video, I will be teaching you guys how you guys can fix your account warning on TikTok. So let's say you just got an account warning on TikTok due to you posting something bad, or you just got it randomly, because TikTok has this habit of just giving you account warning for no reason. I also had multiple account warning in the past, so I know how to fix it. And before I show you the step, if you guys are new to our channel One Step, hit the subscribe to our channel and let's move on. Now, in order to fix your account warning on TikTok, you need to remember this. There's two reasons why you get account warning. One, because you posted something really bad and TikTok thinks it's bad, so that's why it gives you account warning. The other is just TikTok by mistakes gives you account warning. So when you get to account warning, check why you got an account warning. So let's say you made a video and you got an account warning and you think that the video contains something inappropriate. In that case, just remove the video, because that could lead your account to be permanently banned. So remove that. But let's say you uploaded a video and you got an account warning, but the video is actually safe. It has nothing harmful in it. In that case, what you can do is this. Just open the video, and when you open the video, at the top right corner of the video, you can see this option called appeal. If you click on the appeal, basically what is going to happen is you are going to appeal to TikTok that the video which TikTok thinks is harmful is not actually harmful. And once you click on appeal, TikTok staff will view it, and if they think that the content is not harmful, they will release the account warning. But if they think that is harmful, they are not going to release the account warning. And if they do not release the account warning, the thing which I'm going to recommend you to do is just delete the video, alright? Because that can lead your account to be banned in the future. So if you get an account warning, try to appeal to TikTok, and if appealing doesn't even fix it, then just remove the video. It's for your own good. That's how you guys can fix an account warning on TikTok. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel One Step. I will see you guys next time.